In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your landing page on Mailchimp, a crucial skill for optimizing your e-commerce campaigns. Landing pages can significantly impact your conversion rates, making it essential to know how to edit them efficiently, especially for e-commerce businesses. Let's dive right into the steps. First, you need to navigate to Mailchimp's website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, look to the left-hand menu and click on Campaigns. This is where you can access all the active and past campaigns you've created. Within the Campaign section, you'll want to select All Campaigns. This gives you a comprehensive view of everything you've launched, including landing pages. Take a moment to locate the specific landing page you're looking to edit. It might be helpful to have its title or other identifying details handy to find it quickly among possibly several campaigns. Once you have identified the landing page, click the Edit button next to it. This action will open up the landing page editor. Now let's talk about customization. To edit text and images, simply click on any of the text blocks to modify the content. If you want to replace or upload images, click on the image blocks within your page. The editor provides you with tools to format fonts, alter colors, and adjust text sizes, making it easy to align your landing page's aesthetics with your brand style. Next, explore changing the layout and design of your page. Mailchimp's drag and drop builder is particularly user-friendly, allowing you to rearrange sections effortlessly. Should you want to add new content blocks, you can include buttons, forms, or even product highlights to enhance engagement. For those pages focusing on lead generation, customization of sign-up forms is critical. Just click on the form block to tailor fields according to your needs, ensuring essential customer details like email addresses and names are collected. If your strategy requires it, enabling double opt-in for your sign-up forms is a solid step in verification. For e-commerce focused landing pages, integrating your products is key. If your store is connected to platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce, make sure these integrations are active. Adding a buy button can direct users smoothly to your checkout process, thereby streamlining the purchasing journey. Once you're satisfied with all your edits and everything looks polished and ready to go, it's time to save your changes. Click Save, ensuring that none of your hard work is lost. The final step is to make all your edits live. Simply hit Publish and you're set. This action will update your landing page with all the enhancements you've implemented, and there you have it. You've successfully edited your landing page on Mailchimp. With these steps mastered, you're well on your way to creating highly effective and visually appealing landing pages that can potentially boost your conversions. Happy editing!